Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can take a snapshot from a video. Here on my timeline, by the way, here I am using Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. So here on my timeline, I have a video here, and let me play this video and pick a spot I want to use for the snapshot. So here I click on play. So I'm running through the video right now, and okay, let me stop the video there. Now I have stopped the video, so this is what I want to use for the snapshot. So now I go to this place here and I click on here. So this comes up. So here is asking me to name the snapshot. So here let me give the snapshot name as tiny 33, right? So the next thing is I have to pick the format that I want for my snapshot. Here I see PNG. Now when I click here, I see a list of other formats I could pick from. So I have a few choices there to pick. So but I'll stay on the PNG as the format I want. So the next thing is, which folder do I want to store my snapshot? So I go here. There's a folder here already, which is like a default. So here I browse. I want to choose the folder I want. So I want to, let's say, desktop. And okay, let me pick a folder. Okay, let me pick this free pics. So this is the folder I need to save my snapshot in. So I click select. Now here I click OK. So my snapshot has gone into that folder. But all the same, can we go check? Okay, there we are. I want to check. So that's desktop and free pics. Okay, this one. And a lot here. So let me tiny search this folder for where my snapshot will be. There we are. There is my snapshot there. So all I need to do is just click and it opens, it enlarges, so I'll be able to see it better. So anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.